Hey everyone, and welcome back. I am going to tell you what products I used for this particular look here. So, I wanted to record this before I left, but I didn't have time. So now I'm recording this after getting back home from going to see the big movie that's coming out today, the Michael movie. So my sister and we went to go see it at the IMAX, and it was a great movie. I liked it. So I would recommend going to see it in the theaters. If you can make it to an IMAX theater, definitely check it out there, but highly recommend. So since I'm back home, now I have time to go over what I used to achieve this look. As you can see, I'm going in a black and white outfit. So I'll tell you what I wore also and where it came from. So I guess I can start with the outfit and then I'll get to the makeup. So as you can see, my theme today was Chanel. So I got this outfit from that boutique I had mentioned before. Is a local boutique called The Missing Piece that's here in town. And so I got, this is a set. So it's the top and black pants to match is just black pants, this material. And then the shoes are, I had to go real special with these shoes to go with this outfit to go to the movies. So I got these Air Maxes. I got them a couple months ago, but I took today as an opportunity to wear them for the first time. So here they are. Really cute. So those are the shoes, and then my bag. It's also from The Missing Piece, sticking with the Chanel theme. And then I also have these earrings on, and that's from my local beauty supply. So, yeah, I'm when they say matchy matchy, that's me. So leading up into, let's segue into the makeup using, still with the Chanel theme, is my lashes. As you can see, has the Chanel symbol in my lashes. And these are the designer lashes from Butterfly Effects by Desi. And also this shimmery shimmer on the lid is also from Butterfly Effects by Desi. It's one of her flutter pots. And it's in the color Midnight Spell. So it looks like this. So what I did was, I'm kind of working backwards. So I applied a black base, the black P. Louise base on the lid. And then I applied the flutter pot on top of that. And there's the P. Louise black base. And then in the crease, I'm using some colors from Believe Beauty. I used their Nude Persuasion Essentials palette. And I used one color from this. It's going to be this color right here. What's it called? Cafe. And I use that to blend out the black. And then in the crease, I used the Wild Side palette, still from Believe. And I used this color called Vixen. This one right here. And that's right above the dark brown. And then for the underbrow highlight, I'm using this color from Pastel Roses UK in Champagne. So that's how I achieved the eye. I just have black underneath and I blended it out with some of the Cafe Brown. And let's see. For the face, I'm using Yummy Skin, number 9 by Danessa Myrick. And as you can see, I'm definitely in the pan there. But during the Sephora sale, I got another fresh one waiting on me. So I have no worries about using that. For cheeks, I'm using 2 products that I got new from the Sephora sale. That video is right before this one if you want to see what all I got from that sale. But this is YSL Yves Saint Laurent. This is in the color number, well, the number is number 15, and the color is called Chili. Let me see. What did I do with the box? Because they don't put the name on the package. It's called Chili something. The type of, it's called Make Me Blush. So it's Chili something. I'll have to find the box, but they were saying that red blush is in right now. So this was the red I decided to get, and it is very pigmented. You only need to tap that brush in here just slightly. So for a highlight, I'm using Gucci. And this is, I have the box for it right here. It's called the Gucci Glow Highlighter in Warm Bronze number 5. So that's what this looks like. Really, really, really pretty. Especially on our super warm ladies. So that's the highlight. And then for lips, I'm using, I found the box for the blush is Chili Crush. That's the name of the blush, number 15. And then for lips, I wanted to be nude, so I used this kit from the Lip Bar. Diara Taylor, that's her kit. And it comes with a lip liner, gloss, and matte lipstick. Matte liquid lip, I guess you could say. So I have that on the lips. I applied the liner first, then the lipstick and the gloss on top. And if you want to see these products in action, I do have them on my TikTok account. So I did a whole tutorial for this look, and it'll be there linked below to the makeup tutorial. My nails are from Mooncat Werewolf Bane. That's the name of the polish. I left it in my bedroom, but that's what I have on the nails, and I think that's it. If there's anything else I forgot, I will link it below. I do appreciate you stopping by today, and again, check out that movie. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Hope you like this look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching.